sweet. Steve here, Shen RC. This is a Haiboxing racing 4x4 truck. This is a 1/16 scale. Haiboxing sent this in to me to showcase on my channel. Here's the box. Looks like it's waterproof. Full ball bearings. Here's the optional parts. A lot of metal upgrades. Drive shafts. Drive cups. The gears and stuff like that. And a wheelie bar and oil filled shocks. Two different colors. Let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Alright, here's what comes in the box. You get the USB charger here in this package. The body clips. 1000 milliamp 25C 2S LiPo with a nice Dean's plug. That's good to see. This package here has the LED light kit with the connector you plug in. Let's take a look at the radio. Feels pretty good. Has an auxiliary switch right there. Has a speed switch. You could adjust the speed of the car for when it's floored. And then the steering trim, steering reverse, on and off. Let's see how many batteries it takes. It takes 2 AA batteries. Wow, that's pretty good. And there it is. Let's take a look at the truck. There's a plastic coating on here you gotta peel off. That's why it kind of looks dull. Let's check the diffs out. Real smooth. Real smooth. Alright, there's the bottom of the chassis. Tires are pretty soft. No foams in them. There's the power switch. You gotta hold that in for a second to turn it on. Let's take off the body and see what it looks like underneath. I like these body clips with the pull tabs. They work great. Wow, they include another battery with this, so you get double the run time. You'll have 2 1000 milliamp battery packs. That's nice. There's the all-in-one unit. You gotta plug the lights right in there, the LEDs that they give you, and I guess you put them in the bumper. Yep. I'll put them in later and show you guys. It looks like a 390 or a 380 motor. Has a nice heat sink on it. What kind of servo's in here? Oh, this is a 5-wire servo. Let's check the chassis for any flex. Feels pretty strong. It don't flex too much. Flexible body post, that's good. Nice flexible bumpers. Just spring shocks, no oil in these. Let's see how it works when you drop it. Yeah, it bounces. You could probably put some grease inside these to slow them down. Here's how you put the included LED light kit in here. There's a little port right there. You pop this little plug in, just like that. Then you thread it through the body post mount, just like that. Then you'll see these 2 lights up in the front. There's cutouts for them. You just press them in from the back and they pop in pretty good. You may have to flip the light upside down, try it again. There it is. And that's how it goes in. Then they give you the included tie wraps and you just tie it down onto this bar. I'm not going to do that, but that's how it's done. Alright guys, that's what it looks like, the Haiboxing 1/16 scale. I'm going to take it out for a bash and we'll see how it performs. Steve here, Shen RC, and I'm with the Haiboxing 1/16 scale 4x4, and we're going to give it a thrashing. Let's see how it jumps this. Perfect. Oh, that was nice.